ga-anọnyere anyị n'ụbọchị nke tata. anyị nọ na Igbo World Clinic, ebe ahụ ka anyị nọ kịta na ikuku na Spotify. Anyị nọ na Igbo World Clinic. M ga-eme ka igwe eji ekwu okwu ka o nwee ike ịdị na-abanye ọfụma. Ewe n'iwe, m gaghị ebido ihe nkụzi m obere oge. Igwe eji ekwu okwu nwee ike ịdị na-abanye na ya bụ ebe. Ọ dabago. Ama m na ọ dabago ọfụma. Ekwenyere m na ọ dabago. So ugbu a ka anyị gaa ozugbo na-egburu oge banye n'ihe nkụzi anyị. Will start immediately without wasting much of our time. You can always also, if you're on the move, on the go, you can join us on Spotify. So I want to teach you very simple Igbo sentences this morning. If you join us, please do us a favor by share. Ọtụ ụmụnne gị ndị ọzọ, ndị gị na ha na-amụkọ asụsụ Igbo, ka anyị mee gịnị? Ka anyị bido na-egbughị oge. Anyị chọrọ ibido a na-eweta ihe anyị ga-eji wee kụzi ihe. Ọ dị ala. So, what are we going to learn today? Simple sentences in Igbo. I'm going to drop the link so you can join us live. I'm going to drop the link. So, to join us live, you can use the link in the comment section. Okay? And to join, so you can come on live. You can use this link. Yes, so you can use the link. If you just use the link and join, I want to have you live, okay? I want to have you live here. My slides are still processing, so as we are waiting, let's also, yes, so anyị abatago. Nke a bụ ihe anyị kwadoro iji wee kụziere gị ihe n'ụbọchị taa. Okay, chọrọ m ka ọ dị ụtọ. So yeah. So daily routines are what? Ihe ndị mmadụ na-eme kwa ụbọchị. Daily routines, ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị. So before we start, what I want to do is, first of all, so this is what we're going to be looking at, daily routines, ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị, daily routines. But before we go to the daily routines, we are going to get some verbs I want us to use so we will be able to make simple sentences in Igbo. We're going to get some verbs, just simple 2 verbs, and like I said, I'll be typing in the chat. Okay, so because of I can't share 2 screens at the same time, so we'll have to type in the chat. And so if you are joining us live, you are very, very lucky because you'll be able to answer simple questions. So the verbs we are going to use to make sentences with these actions will be the verb icho. The verb icho. Let me use the board so it will sound. Let me use the board. Let me use the board. Yes. So this is the board. We're going to So we're on the board right now, on Microsoft board right now. And for us to see that, okay, so I want to have it this way. I want to have it this way. Please pardon me. I just want to make sure that we are together. We are together. Together. So, you pardon me. So just get these things right. That's my Microsoft Word. I close it. I'm going to open it again. Okay, so if we are there now. So if you're joining us, wherever platform, we're starting now. We are starting. Finally, we are starting. Yes, so I just want to because welcome, you're welcome. Please tinyere anyị aka na okay? We are starting now the lesson proper. So like I said earlier, I want us to look at some daily routines, simple sentences in Igbo where you have daily routes. You use to express daily routines. Ihe ndị mmadụ na-eme kwa ụbọchị. Ihe ndị mmadụ na-eme kwa ụbọchị. So, now, I want us to start with learning some verbs, just 2 words, 2 action words. Verbs are action words, just 2 action words. And then from there, we will go into these routines. And these 2 action words, like I said, I want to use the board. Okay, so let's go to the board. I hope people can hear me. Please, if you can hear me, type yes in the comment section. If you can't hear me, let me test and see if I'm being audible, because this one I am seeing people. I just want to ensure that people can hear me. So please pardon me for this. Seems that we are just taking some time. Pardon me. Want to ensure that you can hear me. Okay, so we are here. Yes, we are here. So we are here. All right, so I'm very sure that people can. So I'm sure people can hear now. We can also type on the phone so people can hear me. All right, so now we're going to the board to get our board and share. And, so the first thing I want us to learn today is different So I want to learn 2 verbs. 2 verbs are just 2 verbs that we're going to use to go into these daily routines. And the first verb is the verb icho. Icho. This is the verb that we're going to use today. The verb icho is the verb to want. Just 1 verb, because I don't want this lesson to be I want to keep it simple so you can just take away 1 thing. If you're taking away 1 thing today, you know that this is the 1 thing I've taken away from this lesson. Icho is the verb to want. Icho, to want. Okay? To want. Yes. It will also, to want. Achorum is to want. In another context, it can also mean to search for. Choya, to search for, but it's not today. Today we're just going to look at icho, to want, and to make a very simple sentence with the verb icho. To say achorum, to say I want, we just have achorum, I want. Then you add what you want. So it could be that you want to do something, which is what we're going to concentrate on today. Achọrọ. Remember Igbo, if you don't have this ntụpọ, if you don't have ntụpọ, it's not complete. You can change meaning ntụpọ, those dots under. So achọrọ, I want. Okay, and then if it's an action, then that action, that verb will be in the infinitive. If it is an action, that verb will be in the infinitive. Okay, if you already know what is infinitive in a sentence, it means actions out of they're not conjugated, they're not marrying them with any verb, okay? Unconjugated verbs. Infinitive, that's the states. The states the verbs are usually found in the dictionary before you take them to insert into a sentence. And in that sentence, things change. It could be because of the time, because of the person speaking. That's conjugation. I think we're going to make our time and do that here also free of charge for you. But these are the kind of things that you get when you start our Igbo school for beginners. Okay, if you want to know about our Igbo school for beginners, you can chat me, drop in the comment section, Achorom Imu Igbo, I want to learn Igbo, and then you contact me directly by sending an email to to me, my akeludora@gmail.com. I will drop everything in the comments in the description. Okay, so for now, Achorom is I want, and we're going to use this now to go back to the actions, daily routines that I just showed you. So we're going to use it. So icho is to want. Achorum, then you say what you want to do. Today we are just concentrating on daily routines. If it's something that you want, it is not an action. If you don't want to do something, achorum, aqua, achorum, whatever it is. So now we're going back to the board. I hope you have taken this. Achorum. So we will be typing in the comment section. I'm going to type in the comment section Achorum. So icho, the verb icho is what we are working on. For those who will join us later, icho, we are working on icho, the verb icho, which is the verb to want. Icho, to want. Okay, it's going to help you. So we will be using achorum for each action to express that we want, our desire to do something. Achorum, that's what we are dropping it in the comment section for you, because once I go out of this board, I may not come back to it. So, or we will come back later to this board if we still have time, because I'm not going to spend more than 30 minutes. Okay, so let's go back to. So here we're going to go back to our then we'll start Achorum. We're going to look at daily actions, those daily routines, and then we will see what we can do about them. So we're starting finally daily routines. Ihe eji akụkụ ahụ eme kwa ụbọchị. Ihe anyị ji akụkụ ahụ anyị, what we do with our body on a daily basis. Ihe eji akụkụ ahụ eme kwa ụbọchị. Ihe eji okay, so ihe eji akụkụ ahụ anyị eme kwa ụbọchị. I want to quickly correct something. So why not? Yeah, so I had a little amendment. It's better late than never, right? I have a little adjustment I did to adapt this lesson to the context we are working on. Okay, so please pardon me. I had to adapt it to the context we're working on. So I'm going to bring back the proper the slide that is for this. Okay, so no, upload my file, upload, yes. So I needed to adjust the one I prepared for this slide. Okay, so finally, icho is to want. Icho is to want. And if you want to say that you want to do, you say achorum. Achorum. So as we're taking it from here, you will now see different actions that we do every day and how you can say that you want to do them. Have you liked the video? I can see you. Thank you for joining me. Have you liked? Have you subscribed? Please, if you haven't, you can share this link. Call your people to come and learn Igbo for free. That is all I can do, giving back to the society to promote Igbo language and to sustain Igbo language. Okay? Achorum, echo. Okay, so we're waiting for our slide to load. Yes, as we load, we'll start immediately. Daily routine. Ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị. Ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị. No. Ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị. Daily routine. Ime ihe is to do something. Ime ihe to do something. Ime ihe to do something. So we're taking it from here now. Ihe a na-eme. You can see. Ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị. Kwa ụbọchị is every day. So we're talking about daily routine. Now you're going to learn so many things that people do on a daily basis. How do you say it in Igbo? So without wasting much time, we can see the first one is you can see the picture here. It's already showing you Isahu. Isahu is to bathe. Isahu to bathe. So we'll be taking from where we are coming from now. Icho to want. Achorum. Then you add the action. So to say I want to bathe, I want to have my bath, you say achorum isahu. Achorum isahu. Achorum isahu. I want to have my bath. I want to bathe. Today we're just going to use to want to. The next time maybe we say we are doing it. But today, so we can cover the number of words that I have prepared before our time runs out. Achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. I want to have my bath. And this is action number 2. We do this every day. Anyị na-eme ha kwa ụbọchị. We do this. Ịsa eze or ịsa ọnụ. Ịsa eze or ịsa ọnụ. So it could be, it says that some people say it's also on to brush your mouth, to brush your mouth. So achorum coming from icho, achorum it says I want to brush. Achorum is on I want to brush my mouth. It's the same thing. Brushing mouth and brushing teeth, they are the same for me. Then you can see what is happening here. Isafere. Isafere is to wash plate. I can see the picture says it all. Isafere to wash plate. Achọrọ m ịsa afere. I want to wash plate. Achọrọ m ịsa afere. I want to wash plate. Right? I want to wash plate. Then what is this? Did I skip anyone? After ịsa afere, we have ịkwado. Ịkwado, what do you think she's doing? She's getting ready. Ọ na-akwado. So, to say I want to get ready, achọrọ m ịkwado. Achọrọ m ịkwado. I want to get ready. Achọrọ m ịkwado. Achọrọ m ịkwado ọrụ. I want to get ready for work. Achọrọ m ịkwado ụka. I want to get ready for church. Achọrọ m ịkwado ahịa. I want to get ready for market. So you see, it's very simple. Ịkwado, to get ready, right? And then we have isi nri, as you can see here. Isi nri, to cook. Isi nri, to cook. And we're coming from the verb we are using, ịchọ. You can say, achọrọ m isi nri. Achọrọ m isi nri. I want to cook. Ugbu a, achọrọ m isi nri. Now I want to cook. Ugbu a, achọrọ m isi nri. Now I want to cook. Ugbu a, achọrọ m isi nri. Ugbu a, achọrọ m isi nri. Now I want to cook. Okay? And then now this is Isakwa. As you can already see the hand. These days you can use machine to wash. Isakwa, Isakwa to wash. So with our verb, can you say it? What we're saying, I want to wash, will be achọrọ m ịsa akwa. Achọrọ m ịsa akwa. I want to wash clothes. Achọrọ m ịsa akwa. I want to wash clothes. What is he doing? Or she or he? Ịza ụlọ. To sweep the house. To sweep the floor, the house. Ịza ụlọ. So to say that achọrọ m ịza ụlọ, I want to sweep. Achọrọ m ịza ụlọ, I want to sweep. And then we have people praying. Ikpe ekpere, to pray. Ikpe ekpere, to pray. Achọrọ m ikpe ekpere, I want to pray. Achọrọ m ikpe ekpere, I want to pray. What is he doing? Sleeping. Ihi ụra, to sleep. Ihi ụra, to sleep. Ihi ụra, to sleep. And to say that you want to sleep, you say achọrọ m ihi ụra. Achọrọ m ihi ụra, I want to sleep. Ịkwọ aka. Can you say it? Ịkwọ aka. Ịkwọ aka, to wash hands. To say that you want to wash hands. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka. You see, it's very simple. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka. I want to wash my hands. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. Now you want to be specific. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. I want to wash my hands. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka. Still, I want to wash my hands. Still the same thing, but when you want to be very, very personal about it. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. I want to wash my hands. Okay, m ịkwọ aka. Is iri nri. This is iri nri. Iri nri. What are they doing? Gịnị ka ha na-eme? Ha na-eri nri. They are eating. Iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. We're using the verb ịchọ, which is the verb to want. You can see it in the comment section. Iri nri. We're using the verb ịchọ. Achọrọ m. You can see I dropped it in the comment section. Achọrọ m, then you add achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Okay? And this is ịbọ isi. You can see she's combing her hair. Ịbọ isi, to comb. Achọrọ m ịbọ isi. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ime? Achọrọ m ịbọ isi. I want to comb my hair. I want to comb my hair. So these are all the actions that we have seen today. They are very simple for you to learn them and use them. And the important thing is that the interesting thing is that these are very everyday actions. So you can watch them and just memorize them. Okay? These are things you can memorize and use. You say, I want to achọrọ m ihi ụra. For example, I want to sleep. Biko achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. You have people that are waiting for you. Say, please excuse me, I want to have my bath. Biko achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. Biko achọrọ m ihi ụra. So very, very interesting. Today we have been able to learn how to express ourselves in Igbo very well. I'll just quickly go to the board, quickly go back to the board and write these sentences for us to see, just one or two of them before we call it a day, because our time is fast spent. We have just 1 minute to go. I don't think I'll be able to do much again. Sorry. Don't go anywhere. So I hope that today you have learned at least these questions. You can go back, watch the video over and over again and drop your any question you have. You can drop it in the comment section. I will always come back and see and respond. If you're going to keep this appointment to be regular, please tell me in the comment section that you want this appointment to be regular. I have my precious time that is very, very busy, but I want to be dedicating a portion of it in teaching Igbo language free online. So if you want to join, you can save the link and also subscribe to this channel so that anytime I put out this kind of notification, whether it is 30 minutes, then you'll be able to do what? Get notified and you join us. It's very easy to learn Igbo, and yes, we are here to make it very possible for you. So, Igbo is again. And so to go, we can say Kemesia Kodi Ogozo. If you want to learn other lessons about greetings and everything on this channel, I've made a lot of videos that can help you even as a beginner. So please join us by subscribing, be a subscriber. Because very soon you will not regret joining us as a subscriber. So thank you so much. I will drop it here, and then to say I'll drop it here, and I will see you again in my next video, next stream. Or yeah, but how do you say bye in Igbo? Do you know how to say bye in Igbo? We say kemesia. We say kemesia. Yeah? Ngwanụ ka ọ dị oge ọzọ. Ka emesịa. Ngwa ka emesịa.